Hello everyone, let's make today some classic Somali tea. Okay, this tea is super easy, delicious, and low in calories. So first thing first, you're gonna need about 12 ounces of water, and while your water is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and blend some cardamom and clove, and then we're gonna go ahead and give a quick blend, and then we're gonna go ahead and now add about 30 to 40 grams of sugar. It depends on how sweet you want it. I usually don't like it to be too sweet. Now let's go ahead and add about two bags of Lipton, and then now we're gonna go ahead and add our blended spices. Give it a quick mix. I am gonna be using a whole can of fat-free evaporated milk. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring this to boil, and now here is our tea. So each cup has just under 100 calories. This is really good tea. If you already know how to make Somali tea, you already know how it tastes. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.